Welcome back, it's great to have you here. Today we're going to be learning a crucial skill that every nail tech needs, but that is a little intimidating to approach, and that's soaking off your extensions.
Today I'm using a cordless e-file from Amazon, color track foils each torn in half, some basic cotton, 100% acetone from my local HEB, a file and buffers, my Emile dust collector from Nail Art House, linked in the description, my favorite blue light glasses for safety purposes, and most importantly, my extra coarse e-file bit with rounded top for safety. If you're right-handed, use your device in the forward setting. Lefties, use it in reverse. You want your device on a high setting to avoid losing control. Don't fear your device, it is your friend. My device goes up to 30, so I'm using it somewhere between 25 and 30. Just depends what you're comfortable with and what feels right. And you want to play around with that and see what works best for you. Remember, the round tip of your bit can't actually hurt you, but you do want to avoid touching the skin with the coarse sides. So don't touch the teeth. So I'm a righty, so I'm working from right to left with medium pressure to remove the bulk of the product first. And you want to notice I'm never scribbling back and forth. I always lift off after each stroke. Scribbling back and forth is going to create friction and heat, and that's going to hurt. So if you're super new to this and you're not super familiar with your device, it might feel a little bit scary to use it on a high setting, but the more you practice with it, you're going to notice that a higher setting actually gives you a smoother glide. It's going to create less friction, and it makes it where you don't have to press as hard to get the product off, and that's what you really, really want. You can work top to bottom as well and switch between the two, finally going carefully around the edges to evenly remove product. There should be a thin layer of product left at this point, and we're ready to wrap. So you want to make sure your cotton is really soaked in acetone, like fully saturated, and then origami burrito wrap it into your nail as tight as possible. This step isn't necessary, but if you want the product to soften faster, you can apply just a little bit of heat. I like to use my gel lamp for this part. If you filed your product really thin before you wrapped it up, it should look about like this whenever it's done processing. I like to remove what's left with a file instead of a cuticle pusher. It's easier on your nail plate and it keeps your tools clean. Probably have some product residue, just hit it with a mini buffer and you're good to go. As you can see, there's no damage from my e-file, so my nails are ready for a fresh set. Thanks for watching, baddies. Ciao for now.